Welcome, this is ENS 150.2 Engineering Graphics. So this video is about zoom, pan, and templates. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the zoom tools and then the pan tool. And lastly, we're going to discuss the templates that we will be using for this subject for the whole semester. Okay, so the zoom tool can be found here in the side. Itong may magnifier glass na icon. So you can choose many options. If you click this arrow pointing downwards, may zoom extents, zoom window, zoom previews, real time, all, dynamic, scale, center, object, zoom in, and zoom out. So we're going to discuss or demonstrate that one by one. So the zoom tool is one of the most important tool in AutoCAD. It allows close inspection of the most minute areas of a drawing here in our drawing area. It also allows the accurate construction of every small details in a drawing. The zoom tools can be called from the View Navigate panel here, as I've said, here in the right side. But the easiest and quickest method of calling zoom is to enter Z. It's just to enter Z here in your keyboard and then press enter. So you can click here on your in the panel, either choose all, center, dynamic, extents, preview, scale, window, object, and then real time. So I have here a drawing. So the default na zoom is the real time. So all the screen or so the real time selects parts of a drawing within a window. So if I click real time, enter, if I click left and drag to the right, it zooms out. If I click and drag to the left, it zooms in. So I have here a drawing, and if I press zoom, enter, right click to call the previous command, and then I click all, the screen reverts to the limits of the template. So babalik siya sa limits ng default kasi hindi ako nag-change ng template. Ito lang yung default. So if I press A, so I already have a drawing na ginawa ko. So yung pinapakita sa window na to, ito yung default na limits ng template. If I just click start drawing yung sa simula pa lang. Next is zoom center. You can just click center here or type C directly, C and then enter. I can specify the center point. Say I want the center point to be here. magnification height is this one. So, yun. Na-zoom yung click ko na first point and then up to the second point. Center. So, let's say, ito yung first point na click ko and then second point. So, ma-zoom yan siya center dito. Yun yung height. So, since center, ito din yung height dito. Next is dynamic. So, if i-click mo tong dynamic, a broken line surrounds the drawing which can be changed in size and repositioned to the part of the drawing. Let's say, gusto kong i-zoom tong lower left side. So, I can minimize and then move right here. And after I'm done, I can just press enter. So, yung small na box kanina nag-change in size and placement. Yun na yung nag-zoom. Right-click to call the previous command. And then, next is extends. So, yung drawing mo, yun, if i-click mo tong extend, the drawing fills the AutoCAD drawing area. So, yan. If I have another drawing here, let's say a circle, if I command zoom extends E, included na yung circle. If I delete the circle and then zoom extends, yun yung mag-fill ng buong drawing area. So, there will be times na maybe na over zoom out mo, or nasobrahan mo ng zoom in, hindi mo na alam kung saan hanapin yung drawing mo, you can just zoom extends. Then now, lalabas na yung buong drawing mo. There's also a possibility na zoom out mo, ang layo na ng drawing mo, click zoom extends to return. Or also, pag nangyari to, you can just click zoom and then previous. Babalik yung previous na command mo ng zoom. And then next is zoom scale. Let's try scale. So you can enter a scale factor. Could be a number or a decimal fraction. Let's say 50. So nag-zoom siya 50 times. But if I say right click, scale, say 0.5 lang yung i-zoom ko, or half. So yun, bumalik. Half of the drawing area. If zoom ko scale 1, so yan yung, but you can zoom using the roller of your mouse, pero yung, or drag, gamitin mo yung dalawang fingers mo and then use it on your mouse pad. Kung saan yung cursor, dun siya mag-zoom. If I place it here in the circle, dun sa circle siya mag-zoom. If dito naman, dyan siya mag-zoom sa circle na yan. zoom extends again. Click directly here or choose zoom all. And then next is zoom window. If you choose zoom window, you can create a rectangle na kung anong nasa loob ng rectangle, yun yung i-zoom niya na part. Zoom previous P. Zoom window. Want to zoom everything. So, yan. And then lastly, you can pick any object. Let's say for example, I want to zoom this circle lang. So, enter. So, mag-zoom siya. Yung circle lang yung na-feel. So, this is very useful, especially if nagko-connect ka ng lines. If tama ba yung na-connect mo na lines or hindi. Especially if hindi mo gamitin tong mga object snap tracking na tools. So, again, if you press zoom, real time yung default. If you left click on the button of your mouse, and then zoom, real time, enter, zoom out, drag to the right, click your left button ng mouse, zoom to the left, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, upward, zoom up, downwards, zoom out. Okay, yun lang yung sa zoom tool. Next naman is pan. So you can right click, choose zoom or pan. If it's pan, you can drag your drawing. Just click the roller on your mouse and then drag your drawing. See if it's connected or not. You can use, if you have a mouse, you can use the roller of your mouse. Zoom to the other side. If wala kang mouse, in order to zoom in or out, use your two fingers. Outward direction, zoom out. Inward, zoom out. Outward pala yung zoom in. And then this is the pan tool. You can also enter P. Skip P. It's now in pan. Or press pan. Okay. So, where you point your cursor, dyan mag-zoom. And then, lastly, yung template na gagamitin natin for the whole duration of our discussion and subject. Yun yung isasubmit din. Ito yung gagamitin nyo na template. So first, at the keyboard, type escape mo na, type ST. So, lalabas tong text style. Gagawa tayo ng new. And then, style mo is ENS 150 now choose Arial, and then height is 6. And then apply, set current, and then close. Ngayon naman yung D naman, dimension style, enter. So gagawa din tayo ng new style name ENS 150.2. Una sa lines, let's change the color of the line to magenta. Next is symbols and arrows. Arrow size is gawin nating 6. Center marks. Break size gawin nating 3.75. Then jog angle 45, jog height factor 1.5, center marks none. Preceding dimension text, close field, and then balik tayo muna sa lines. Extend beyond limits. Beyond dim lines 1.5 to 2.5 pala. And then 1 offset from origin. Baseline spacing 3.75. Modify. Primary units precision 0. Decimal separator 0. And then text height is 6. Offset from dim line to then ISO standard. Color is magenta. Okay. Close. So now we can set current, close, D, yung gagamitin natin na template. Text height is 6. Just follow yung ginawa ko. And then now, let's set up layers. So, type LA, or you can click here, layer properties. Same lang yan sa command na LA. And then, 0 is for continuous line. You can add template, new layer here. Layer 1 would be for center. Layer 2 for hatch. Layer 3 for dimensions. And fourth layer is text. So, I want to change the color. Say yellow. So, magiging yellow na tong lines ko. Center is, let's say, red. Hatch is light blue. Dimension is magenta. And text will be blue. Cyan yung hatch. Okay, so yan na yung gagamitin natin na template for ENS 150.2. Center pala is line weight, not a continuous line. 0.13 yung center. And then, click load, choose center. Then, dimension is continuous, 0.13 then. 0 is 0.5. And then, hatch, 0.13 then. Text, 0.3. So that's it. If I will create a line, dito sa center ng circle, click this two, and change to center. Magiging center na yan. So that's it for this video. Next, we will learn more in detail layers and hatchering. I will give an example how to use layers and hatchering. That's it. If you have watched this video and if you're done watching this, comment done in the comment section. Thanks for watching.